Welcome back to Motor Mania. The 2025 CFMoto 250SR is here, and it's sharper, sleeker, and sportier than ever. This entry-level sport bike from CFMoto continues to impress with aggressive styling, race-inspired ergonomics, and tech that punches above its class. Starting with the design, the 250SR gets updated fairings that flow better aerodynamically, giving the bike a more premium and performance-oriented look. LED lighting all around enhances visibility and adds to the bike's modern appeal. A new color scheme and bold graphics help it stand out, whether you're slicing through traffic or parked at a local meet. Under the fairing is a 249cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine producing around 27 horsepower. While that may not sound like much on paper, it's more than enough for city rides, weekend twisties, or your first track day. Power delivery is smooth, and the 6-speed gearbox is crisp, making the ride experience enjoyable for both beginners and seasoned riders alike. CFMoto hasn't cut corners when it comes to hardware. The 250SR features a lightweight trellis frame, upside-down front forks, and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, offering impressive handling and feedback. The front disc brake is paired with a radial caliper, and dual-channel ABS come standard, giving you confidence under hard braking. The cockpit is packed with features too. A 5-inch full-color TFT display sits front and center, offering ride stats, gear position, fuel efficiency, and even smartphone connectivity through the CFMoto Ride app. You can receive call alerts, check your ride data, and even update firmware directly from your phone. With a curb weight of just around 165 kilograms, the bike feels light and nimble, great for navigating tight city roads or leaning into corners. The seating position is sporty but not overly aggressive, making it suitable for daily rides without sacrificing performance flair. In terms of value, the 2025 250SR is hard to beat. It delivers premium looks, solid performance, and impressive features at a price that undercuts many of its Japanese and European rivals. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first sport bike or an experienced one who wants something stylish and practical, the 250SR deserves a spot on your list. So, is the 2025 CFMoto 250SR just a beginner bike? Far from it, it's a statement, a lightweight sport machine that looks fast, feels fast, and gives you more bike for your buck.